Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have JBL Tune 120 Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not working for some reason, if they're not connecting to your phone, or if they're not pairing with your Bluetooth device, or if the left earbud is not working or the right earbud is not working, so you're only getting sound out of one ear, a factory reset will fix a lot of these issues. If it doesn't and you want to get a new set of earbuds, I'll put a link in the description to a pair of earbuds that I recommend. The second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to delete all of the pairing history and settings off of these earbuds so you can set them up again, just kind of like you're taking them out of the box for the first time. This will actually do that. All we need to do is put our earbuds in the case with the lid open as shown here, and they should be charging. So they should be seated properly and charging, lid open, and then we're just going to come in and press and hold the button on the right earbud and press and hold that button for 5 seconds. And after 5 seconds, that will trigger a restart into the factory default settings of these earbuds, at which point you can go ahead and set them up as a new set of earbuds.